Hello everybody, so this video is a DIY ugly Christmas sweater, and I'll be using this sweater as you guys can see here. And the items that I will be using is from Dollar Tree, and I will be using the pipe cleaners, I believe these are called, and I will be using the glitter stickers and the glittered stocking, pom-poms, and some bows. And this lovely sweater right here. I purchased this sweater from Rainbow. And a hot glue gun. This was not from Dollar Tree. Or the sweater wasn't from Dollar Tree either. Okay, here we go. So we're going to assemble the tree, as you guys can see here. And with an ugly sweater, it's not really going to be perfect. Well, in my eyes, that's what I see what an ugly sweater is. So if you don't want to do it this way, this is how I do it. So I'm basically hot gluing everything down. And I want everyone to be careful while using this, especially you know, small children. If you would like to attempt this, please have an adult with you, you know, a guardian or anything like that, because you want to make sure that you do not, you know, burn yourself, because this hot glue gun can get really, it gets really hot. It cools down pretty fast, but when you first put it down, it is really hot. Okay, so just make sure that you're very careful with this. So you see me, you know, using my hands, but you know, still got to be a little bit careful. So the glue is very hot. Okay, you can get a really, you know, bad burn. Okay, so that's basically about that. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm putting it down here, and then when you see the strings, that's the strings from the glue, so you can just basically gently, you know, pull them apart, and then you're fine. You know, it's good with that, so you don't have to worry about that. All right, so just make sure that you are, you know, doing it to your liking. It doesn't have to be perfect. And me, I can be anal about it, but again, this is an ugly sweater, so it doesn't have to be perfect. That's the good thing about, you know, ugly sweaters, or you know, doing certain DIYs like this. All right, now I'm laying down the glittery stickers, as you guys can see here. And it's just very kind of simple and self-explanatory. That's just basically about that. It's nothing like really rocket science. You know, you could do whatever, you know, type of design that you would like to do. It's just really up to you. So just have fun with it. Now we're going to take the pom-poms and basically making snow here. I thought I kind of messed up. I was like, that looks funny, but I was like, I already glued them down, so we in for it now. So might as well keep on going. So the pom-poms is basically for the snow, and I didn't use any other color pom-pom. I just used the white for the snow. So you can use the pom-poms and put them on a tree. That's what I should have done, and put some on a tree, but I wasn't thinking, so it's okay. Next year. And you could do it to your liking. If you want to put some pom-poms, like the red pom-poms on the tree, you can too. That's basically what I should have did, but I didn't. It's okay. It's all good. And I'm just going back over just to make sure that it sticks. All right, then we got some little reindeer here. And I made a little star. Don't judge me, because I tried. I tried, y'all. Okay. And I put a bow right here just to hide my my ugly star. And we got the snowman here. We're almost done. And I made some gold. I don't know what I was doing, so I just crumbled this up like this, rolled it up, and just put it right there. So I guess it's okay. So it's whatever. I was just trying to, you know, be creative. But that's basically it. That's basically my ugly Christmas sweater DIY. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will put all the items. I'll try to put all the items in the description bar below. This is a very affordable way to just basically, you know, make a sweater if you don't have a Christmas sweater, and, you know, with some cheap items, okay? Fairly cheap items, okay? All right, so that's basically it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my DIY ugly Christmas sweater. This is my first video like this ever. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Happy holidays. Have a wonderful, blessed, safe, and Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. All right, so I'm going to couple of stars. That's a couple of market. Thanks for watching. Peace.